Wild Bill from Deadliest Catch opens up about his cancer diagnosis. Captain Wild Bill of Deadliest Catch refused to crawl into a shell when he learned that he had prostate cancer. This is from cheatsheet.com and it was published on June the 8th of 2024. Deadliest Catch star Wild Bill is opening up about his experience with prostate cancer in the hopes that sharing his journey will help others in a similar situation. Season 19 of Deadliest Catch reality show ended with Wild Bill learning that he had been diagnosed with cancer. The show's 20th season, which premieres on June the 11th in America, will follow the crab fisherman as he undergoes treatment for the disease. In a clip from the upcoming season, Wild Bill listens as he gets the sobering update from his doctor. "You do have prostate cancer," said the doctor, "and it needs to be treated aggressively." Getting such news would be a blow to anyone, but Wild Bill was determined to meet the latest challenge head on. When I heard it, one of the things I thought was, I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep going until I actually can't. Prostate cancer is the second most common cancer in men after skin cancer. 13 out of every 100 people with a prostate will develop prostate cancer at some point in their lives, with a risk of a diagnosis increasing as people age. Prostate cancer kills roughly 34,000 people every year. Fortunately, the disease is highly treatable if caught early, which is why doctors recommend a regular screening for people over the age of 55 who are at high risk. After learning he had prostate cancer, Wild Bill realized he had a choice when it comes to dealing with his health. Ignoring the problem wasn't the solution, he decided. How many people get diagnosed with this and they just shut down, he said. They crawl into a shell and it just makes everything worse. The doctors warned him that the cancer could be debilitating, but he wasn't having it. "They're saying you're going to have all these symptoms that are going to stop you," he said. And I said, "There's no way." Wild Bill hoped that sharing his cancer story might help other people. The fact that I allowed the news to be broadcasted, I heard from millions of people, "Oh, I hope you're all right." I was hoping that the fact that I kept going, it would show people that if you have this, you can keep working. You can keep your life moving. I wasn't going to stop unless I had to. Fortunately for Wild Bill, his treatment seems to be going well. My PSA number, which is how they determine the level, is near zero, and the doctors are really excited. Deadliest Catch Season 20 premieres on Tuesday, June the 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern in America. Different dates at different places in other countries. This is pretty awesome. Bill could have just walked away from the camera and not said anything about this, just retired, just went away, and nobody would have been the wiser. But for some reason, he decided to share this with the world. And hopefully that opens other people's eyes, not just people that are diagnosed with cancer, prostate, or otherwise, but to get men of a certain age to go and get tested. It takes only minutes, but it's not a nice test, and it's easy to put off. In this article, they're saying any man over 55 should be tested. I was always told 50. It's a nice happy birthday present when you turn 50 to go get your prostate checked. Either way, anybody in that age category should be considering getting it checked. It doesn't take long, but it's unpleasant. It's more unpleasant to think about than it is to do. Good luck, Bill. I hope everything works out for you. And if there's anybody else that has symptoms or has history, somebody in the family, go get checked out now. It's well worth it. It's better to know sooner rather than later.